She didn't know. And you know we wanna play plenty, yeah, yeah, yeah. The money plenty, yeah, 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 yeah. One big party. Anywhere when they will light it, in this update, and they under the senses. And the girl them they are plenty, yeah. Them they are plenty. One day party girl me a one pan butter. Two man with some papers and grab up and put it on. One day you split money, push it to the sky. Cause we a burn the best trees. And we know say Jah bless we. Man how them fight it. In a New York we light it. In this beat under the senses. And you know we money plenty. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We money plenty. One day party got me away from mama. We don't have much time, you know. So we try to fit in everything we can in the short space of time we have, yeah? Everybody feeling irate? I said, are you feeling irate? You know what? Somebody go play something that we can sing along to, because them song I don't feel irate too.
Sing my favorite.
Treat you right. I wanna love you every day and every night. We'll be together with the roof right over our heads. We'll share the shelter of that single day. We'll share the same. But Jah promised the friend. Is this love? Is this love? Love that I'm feeling. Is this love? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love that I'm feeling? Oh, I wanna know now. Yeah, I got to know now. I'm willing to so I throw my cards on your table. I wanna love and treat you right. I wanna love you, yes, someday and every night. We'll be together. We got the roof right over. We share the shelter of my single bed. We share the same room. For Jah provides the bread. Is this love? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love that I'm feeling? Is this love? Treat you right. I wanna love you, yes, every day and every night. We'll be together. We got to move right. We'll share the shelter of faith. We'll share the same room. For children, last night. Is this love? Is this love? Is this love? Yes, I wanna love you. I wanna treat you right. I wanna treat you right. Yeah, New York, I want to say thank you so much, yeah? This ain't that desperate time. Unfortunately, a lot of people them so unmarried. See them I say no? See them now?
Why the police them out there now? Like Jamaica. Believe you me, so like Jamaica. Come on, give thanks, Bridget. Alright, the police them blind and say, we can't over the time. I think that. Oh, you right. Alright. Hey, policeman, you need to go to Jamaica, man. Wait a minute, sit the mic.
We're gonna sing this one together, yeah? That's right. I love it. You ready? One more time, let's go. One love, one heart, and let's get together and feel alright. Get the children crying, get the children crying. Alright, give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Singing, and let's get together and feel alright. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let them all pass all their dirty remarks. There is one question I'd really love to ask. Is there a place for the hopeless sinner who has hurt all mankind just to save his own? I mean, one love. What about the one heart? What about the let's get together and feel alright? As it was in the beginning, so shall it be in the end. Alright, give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Jamaica, come show me. Get together and feel alright. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let's get together to fight this holy Armageddon. So when the men come, there will be no more doom.
Anything those who has earned them zealous, who has no hiding place from the Father of creation, saying one love, yeah, the Lord, and I will feel alright. Give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let them all pass on their dirty remarks. There is one question I'd really love to ask. Is there a place for the hopeless sinner who has hurt all mankind just to preserve his own? I mean, come on, one. Come on with me, New York. Yeah, and let's get together and feel alright. As it was in the beginning, so shall it be in the end. Alright, give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Sing it, and let's get together and feel alright. Me and New York, let's go. One love, one heart, and let's get together and feel alright. New York, let me hear you. One love, oh, I can hear you. One heart, give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel I want to thank you once more, yeah? And I want to say thank you to the NYPD for making us have one more song, yeah? Yeah! I'm sorry I didn't get to give you my full show tonight, but hopefully I'll be back in New York soon. We got some new music for you, New York, and I can't wait to get that, yeah? It's up to your majesty, now to take your journey. Cheer! Rastafari! Cheer!
Kimani Mani.